Hello and welcome back to AI with Andrea. Today I'm going to be updating the dashboard. Yesterday we ran out of credits, but I got quite far with yesterday's task. I flicked through the instructions and there are a couple of days that I'm going to skip purely because of the free credit journey that we're on. It's paining me. I don't want to waste credits trying to figure things out because when I've looked at it, they look a bit complex. I'm hoping that where I'm going to go to is a bit easier and hopefully we can get a bit more done. We'll see anyway. And without further ado, I am going to log into Lovable. As you're used to by now, we're in the Lovable screen. I just want to see, yesterday we checked off or that the authentication worked, and let's see what happens when I go to log back in. We're choosing the 30-day challenge. Okay, it doesn't. Oh, maybe. Be patient. Okay, it didn't ask me for my authentication. I need to check why that is. Admittedly, I did actually try this on my mobile last night and it did ask for my authentication. I'll have to check out what I need to change. But anyway, let's get going. I've already copied, as usual. I say that I've already copied. It doesn't want to copy over. Today we are creating a daily voice journal section. It's going to have a record button to capture audio, show the recording duration while recording, have a stop button to end recording, and save the recording with timestamps and display a list of past recordings with date and time. Let's see what happens here. There are, as I mentioned, I think it was yesterday, that there are a few changes that I want to make to the dashboard, but I've decided that, again, because of the pre-journey that we're on, I'm going to leave those changes to the end, to maybe when I get some credits. But we'll see, we'll see. Now it's doing its usual. It's thinking. It's telling me what it's going to do. I think it might have even. I've got to. Oh, now it's asking me for my credentials. Okay. Not mad at it. Invalid login. What? Don't start. Help. This is right. Oh God, why now? Okay. I had to. Me and passwords. I tell you. I don't need it to be updated, but okay, update the password, whatever. Yes, now I could. You see, we're already down to 4.40 credits. Oh, gosh, Aaron. Right, let's allow and see what happens. Again, usual thinking stage. I just wanted to show you that it did say that an error occurred trying to fix automatically. All right, I need to fix the closing tags. Okay, this means nothing to me. Done. Added voice journal with record stop buttons. Let's see where it is. Okay. Hi, this is a test to see if this is recording. Not too sure where it's recording to or what I'm actually recording or why I'm recording, but hey ho. There we go with the hey ho. Hi, this is a test to see if this is recording. Not too sure where it's recording to or what I'm actually recording or why I'm recording, but hey ho. Here we go with the hey ho. Okay, I don't know. I hope you heard that. But if you didn't, I'm sure you could tell by my face that it actually did. It worked. I'm excited about that. Oh my gosh, we've gone down to 2.6 credits. Okay. And this is why I wanted to skip some of the other stuff because I knew that this would hopefully work. All right. For the next day, what we're doing is today we add a transcription and search capabilities to our voice journal. The coach, I phrased the prompt as a question to allow Lovable to come up with their own plan that suits their capabilities best. I also found an issue with the Google Calendar from a couple of days ago. That was what I was supposed to be doing originally, the Google Calendar, and I just said, you know what, I'm not doing that right now because I had to go into Google Console and it just felt like a little bit too much for first thing in the morning. I left the Google Calendar part. I'm gonna do that at the end, but like, and I'm glad. See, I'm glad I skipped over that part. Anyway, let's go. Let's paste in the question. How tough would it be to add transcription to voice journal? Maybe record as the user is speaking and display transcription below each recording, plus make transcription searchable. Oh, that sounds interesting. You can basically voice to type. Is that, let's see. Instead of giving an action, we've actually not tough at all, two option. Which transcriptions? We'll go for the free one and submit. We had an option of a browser web speech API, which is free and instant, or 11 labs, which is good. It's higher quality, but we're going for free. Let's submit. Got 2 credits remaining. This might be a quick one today. I'm going to allow. This has taught me some patience. Okay, we're back and it has, let's see if it's done, added real-time transcription using web speech API. Let's have a look. Hi, hello, welcome to AI with Andrea. Thank you for being here and thank you for your patience while I take this journey on learning all about Lovable and building this wonderful dashboard that more than likely will be sold. And I will be using this every day because it really has some great benefits. And there you have it. The transcription works. This is amazing. And I didn't actually put for this, to do the transcription, I didn't actually give it any instruction. I asked it a question. If you remember, the question was, how tough would it be to add transcriptions to voice journals? Maybe record as the user is speaking and display transcription below each recording, plus make transcription searchable. Now, do you have to be a coder? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you following along with this? And as you can see, what I'm seeing as well, we've run out of credits. I'm glad that I got to have a good dopamine hit today. We can officially say we've created the voice journal element of the dashboard. And I look forward to coming back tomorrow. I really do. Oh yeah, and just to say as well that I tested this out yesterday, and what another thing that I will change is for the beep to be a bit longer because you would miss it because you just go beep and that's it. That's another update that I will do towards the end. And speaking of ends, this is the end of today, AI with Andrea, because we've reached our 5 credit a day limit. But we got something done. We got the voice journal done with transcription. And I'm very happy with that. That's a win-win for me today. I look forward to coming back and doing some more learning about Lovable with you. And I hope by now you can see that, yes, I am following instructions and eventually I'm going to be able to write my own instructions, but what I want to do is also go back over the instructions that I'm inputting and not just copying and pasting. I am going to read them and see, okay, this is what this done. And I'll probably do an annotation at the end and go over the instructions that I have been using to, like I said, do an annotation of, okay, this is what this done and this is what I said. And because I haven't really been reading them 100%, I will do that at the end once I have the visual, once I have everything together. But I'm looking forward to it. I look forward to tuning in again tomorrow, and I hope you have a great day. Speak soon.